In this video we are going to be testing Shazam versus SoundHound and see which one does a better job of figuring out what song you're listening to. So let's begin. Shazam was recently purchased by Apple, so we'll see if Apple's technology has improved Shazam and beaten SoundHound, or we'll see if SoundHound has beaten Shazam. So I'm going to start playing a classical music song called Ride of the Valkyries by Wagner. Then I'm going to press it at the same time, approximately. So it actually looks like Shazam won on that one. Let's try it again though, just to be sure. Looks like it's Shazam again on this song. That's pretty good. Okay, now let's try a different song. I'm gonna try Hungarian Rhapsody by Litz. Wow, Shazam's on it today. It beat them too. Let's try it again though, just in case. They won again. Wow. Shazam's won all 4 tests so far. Now in the past, I think SoundHound has actually done better in one instance, but it must vary. So they both figured it out all 4 times, but SoundHound has taken longer every time. Now, phone performance could have an effect too, because this is a iPhone 6 and iPhone SE, but iPhone SE came out after the 6, so it should be better in that regard. Let's try another classical song. Now I'm going to do Entry of the Gladiators. Shazam won again. Wow. Okay, let's one more time to make sure. Shazam again. Wow. Shazam's on it. I haven't always had this experience. Sometimes one must be better than the other. So as you saw with the 3 tests, 3 songs doing 2 tests apiece, which is 6 tests, Shazam came out on top every single one. Now that doesn't mean they're better necessarily, because before I think SoundHound has done a better job. It must just depend on the song and what spot in the song, so don't just bring your judgment on SoundHound by a few tests. Pretty good job, especially since this is classical music. But maybe if it was in the middle of a song, that would affect the results. Let's compare the aesthetics of the 2 different apps and see how they look compared to each other. So Shazam has SoundHound has advertisements. That's unfortunate. As you can see right here. But they both have a big button to start identifying the song you're listening to. you can also on Shazam search for lyrics, or search lyrics, songs, and more, it says in this bar. I think it also has their built-in AI assistant Hound into it. Shazam has a camera button. I wonder what that is. Maybe it can identify certain objects. Oh, remember to get that Shazam enabled object fully in focus and try again. Huh, interesting. And you can swipe right to discover songs, must be. Swipe right again, or I should say swipe left before and then now swipe right. And it looks like you can see your recent history, how many Shazams you've done. There's a spot for artists, playlists for you. Huh. You can have an account with them. So it looks like Shazam is nicer in the way that it doesn't have advertisements, but looks like SoundHound has its AI has AI in it, built-in AI assistant. You can also view your history on SoundHound, and you can also log in. There's a spot for search lyrics. So these are both similar in aesthetics, a little bit anyway, and function. But aesthetics wise, I'd say Shazam wins because they don't have any advertisements. They also win because they won all 6 tests. But SoundHound has their AI assistant built in, it looks like, because it says, "Okay, Hound." See? Tell me a joke.
Here is the music artist tell.
Whoops. I don't want that. "Okay, Hound. Tell me a joke."
Here is the music album Tell Me a Joke by Max Felder, Nicholas Clays, Jamie Dylan.
Not what I wanted, but okay. So it must just be used for getting you music. So these both have unique features, but you'll have to decide which one works best for you, because it might depend on the music also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a comment and a like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.